Well, well,
Hey, what's up?
you seen these yet? These new folding phone?
No.
They call it the Z Fold 3, this one here.
Oh yeah, it sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, it's the latest one, third generation. They just put, Samsung put out the third generation. They fixed a lot of things on it. It's very, made a lot of progress here. Could be the future of phones, actually.
Oh yeah, are you using it right now?
Yeah, I just switched over to it. There's a lot of stuff you can do on it. You can play games on it. Big screen like this.
Oh yeah?
I mean, you flip it like this, you can play games on it.
I mean, I have my iPhone now.
This one, you still have the display on the outside. You want to use it like a regular phone? They actually improved this display. This is 120 hertz now over here, like 120 hertz. I don't think you have that. You don't have that.
I'm fine with this. Colorful.
They got the pen input now. You do the S Pen right onto the main display. You're taking notes. You're artistic. You're doing drawings. It's the pen input. They even got a Pro Pen. They got new pens just for the Fold lineup.
Ah. I mean, good for you. That's great.
You still got the cameras as well. It's it's pretty much like the S21, S21 Ultra almost.
I mean, I have my phone. It's fine. I got the camera working on my iPhone. I took pictures of Otis, my dog. Right here. You see it? They're pretty nice. I'm fine with it.
Phones have been like that that's just a normal, this is a whole new thing here. This is a whole new, it's folding now. Well?
I'm good.
You should probably just try it out though. Like, you should just give it like a, you just scroll the news a little bit, like quickly. You just would check it out. You should probably check it out. Well, they got this. You have the camera in the front now, which is underneath the display, right in here, underneath the display.
Oh yeah? Do you like it?
I like it. This is the future. This is the future right here. Do you not want to take part in the future? What are you saying to me right now?
I just got an iPhone. That's all I know. The main feature, hello, this Apple logo. That's all you need.
Did you just call that a feature?
Uh-huh. California, Cupertino, Stephen Jobs. Right here.
Those phones have been like that for like a decade. I've been doing this for a decade. Those phones have been like that for like a decade. It's getting boring now. Here's the solution. We're folding. Now we're folding.
Yeah. But I just need this for work. It's not a big deal. You know?
They got a small one. It flips up as well. It like folds the other way.
Do you have that too?
Right now, I don't. Just try the folding phone. Just try the folding phone. Just 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Listen to the speakers. Just watch a video. I'm on YouTube. I go on YouTube. I'm scrolling on YouTube. Look, I'm scrolling. It's big. Look at the screen. You can try it for 5 minutes. You can try it for 2. You can try it for 3 minutes. You can try it for. You can try it. You can try it. Okay, forget it.
Okay, check out this folding 3.
Yeah, not really for me.
You can try it!